What's up, guys? I'm JD with the Slumber Yard. Hopefully you're doing well. And today's mattress review is going to be focused around the Avenco Zone Hybrid. This is an ultra affordable hybrid option that's surprisingly quality for the price. Usually this kind of mattress is priced over the $1,000 mark for the queen size. Here, you're getting something for below $500, which in my expert humble opinion is well worth it for the online mattress shopper. This is going to be a great option for most guest rooms or Airbnbs out there. We're going to kick things off by talking about the policies this thing is backed by. Then we'll delve into its construction elements, talk about how the mattress feels, how firm it is, of course, how much it costs. And then I'll even wrap things up with a final verdict to help make your decision on this particular bed a little bit easier today. Now, if you get something out of this video or it points you in the right direction, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the Slumber Yard while you're at it. We always really appreciate any support you want to show us. But without further ado, let's review the Avenco Zone Hybrid mattress. Okay, so for starters, let's go over the policy information this bed is going to be backed with. For the record, I do want to note here that Avenco, the brand, did send us this mattress for completely free to review. But if you end up getting it online for yourself, you're going to be backed by a pretty standard policy set that all starts with completely free shipping. The bed is going to arrive in a big box that you basically drag into your home, dump out the contents, rip off all the plastic, and then you're going to have a brand new hybrid bed that's going to rapidly inflate before your eyes. But it might look a little bit misshapen post-unboxing. Give it like a solid night to sit out on your foundation to properly inflate. Once it's in your possession, you get 100 nights to basically test the bed out in the comfort of your own home risk-free. If within that time frame you end up not really digging the mattress for whatever reason, you can send it back for completely free after the first 30 nights of testing. But on the other hand, if you end up enjoying your experience with this mattress and you ultimately want to keep it, it's backed by a 10-year warranty. And we'll try to link some more helpful details regarding all this policy stuff down below in the description box if you're interested in checking that out. Now let's get into the overall design and construction elements that are put into this particular bed. And right up top here, I do want to mention that this is a hybrid mattress that should be able to handle all body types right off the bat. Whether you're a small, average-sized person or a much heavier individual, you should be experiencing plenty of support from the Avenco Zone Hybrid. So it starts off with those support coils on the bottom. Then you've got a high-density comfort foam that acts as a transitional layer. Next is another transitional layer of comfort foam, which is just beneath the bed's main comfort layer of gel-infused memory foam. The whole thing is topped with a soft quilted cover. Other budget tier options like this kind of feel a little bit crusty on top, considering how cheap they are. Here, not so much. The cover on top feels really soft and nice and altogether pretty comfortable to sleep on. One major thing worth noting about the Avenco Zone Hybrid is that its coils are divided into a 5 separate zone support feature. So it does have a design to help keep your back more properly aligned on the mattress at night, which is kind of rare to see in more budget tier options these days. But overall, this entire design gives the Avenco Zone Hybrid more of a straightforward neutral hybrid feel. You know, the memory foam on top does give the bed a good amount of pressure relief, but the more responsive nature of the support coils and the other neutral comfort foams help to balance that out to make it feel more neutral overall, to us at least. It feels like a generally accommodating bed that you'd find sitting in an Airbnb or a guest room. You've got 2 different height profiles to choose from with this bed. We have the 12-inch version, and in terms of firmness, we would say it's right in between a medium and a medium firm on our scale. So it'll work fine for all sleep styles, backside, stomach, and combination, but it does present a slight support advantage for primary back and stomach sleeping. If you're more of a side sleeper who's in the market for a softer, more pressure-relieving style of mattress, this isn't exactly it, but there are other mattresses from Avenco that do feature more of a plush feel. So we'll try to link some other options from this brand down below in the description box if you want to check those out. Firmness is an altogether subjective thing that usually depends on your body type. If you're a smaller individual, you could perceive a bed to be much firmer than I do. And then conversely, if you're heavier than me, you could find it to be softer than I do. But we think that this range of firmness will apply to the average Joe out there, someone who's in and around the range of 180 pounds. If you're more of a side sleeper looking for an ultra plush, pressure-relieving style of bed, this isn't necessarily going to be the best option for you, but Avenco does make a number of other softer mattresses, and we'll try to link their website and more information about this brand and their other beds down below in the description. But if you're getting this bed to accommodate a relationship, you also want to be aware of how it performs in terms of supporting you along the edges, isolating cross-mattress motion, and how hot or cold it sleeps. And while many of the elements used within this bed's construction are advertised to sleep especially cool, we would say a lot of that is just straight up marketing noise. This bed shouldn't really excessively warm up on you nor cool you down and sleep right at a temperature neutral sweet spot for you and your partner. You and your partner. When it comes to isolating cross-mattress motion, we would say this bed performs pretty much average, on par with other neutral hybrid beds in its class. It's not going to be as motion deadening as something like a Tempur-Pedic mattress with dense memory foam on top, but you know, it's not going to overly reverberate for you or your partner either. When it comes to edge support, the Avenco Zone Hybrid features some solid and sturdy edges, considering that it uses reinforced coils along the perimeter. You shouldn't really experience any sort of roll-off sensation with this bed, and when you hug the edges of this bed at night, you should feel plenty of support still. But the biggest selling point about this Avenco bed is obviously the price point it's offered at, so let's cover that now. How much are you going to be shelling out exactly for this bed? While other neutral hybrid beds are going for far and away above $1,000, it's nice to see something priced at right around $320 after discount for a queen size. That's a steal for a hybrid bed that's around 12 inches thick online these days. We were frankly shocked to see how affordable this mattress is considering its overall level of quality. Again, this pricing could change for you as of when you're watching this video. It might be a little bit different. So be sure to check down below in the description box to see whatever's current. The only other option that I can think of that kind of rivals this bed in terms of overall value proposition that you're getting is the Allswell mattress. That bed is slightly more affordable than this one, but only slightly. And our team found the Avenco Zone Hybrid to be slightly more comfortable than that mattress. So this mattress might be giving that one a little bit of a run for its money when it comes to a new contender in the realm of cheap hybrid mattresses online these days. Personally, I really enjoyed my overall experience with the Avenco Zone Hybrid. I think it's a pretty quality and comfortable bed, especially for the price point. I think if you only got a few $100 to spend and you want a supportive hybrid bed with a neutral feel and firmness, this is a pretty good route to go. Realistically, a lot of folks out there, myself included, don't really have a budget of upwards of $1,000 to spend up for a guest room bed. So if you only have like $300–400 laying around, maybe go this route. I think you are also going to be pretty surprised by the overall level of quality that you get in the Avenco Zone Hybrid. But that being said, that's pretty much going to sum it up for my thoughts on this mattress. What do you guys think? Have you had any experience with any Avenco product? Write us down below in the comments and let us know your thoughts. If you got something out of today's video or you just enjoyed it in general, leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel while you're at it. We really appreciate your support over here. But that's pretty much going to do it for today's video. I'm JD with the Slumber Yard. Like always, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.